In this video, we'll see how to use the NetBeans debugger in order to look at your array so that you can check to make sure that your algorithm is working correctly. In this example, I've set my array to have 10 elements in it so that it matches the handout, because I gave you the first 3 generations in the handout. So what I'd like to do is, because I know that I'm calling this display population status method every time I calculate a new generation, I can easily set a breakpoint in this method to stop and have a look at this array that's coming in, and just give it a once-over in the debugger and make sure that everything looks fine in there. To set a breakpoint to make my program stop there in the debugger, you click here on the line number, and you'll see a line breakpoint icon show up. If you accidentally clicked in the wrong place, just click it again, it goes away. So you can toggle them on and off like this. This means that the program is going to stop here and show me all my variables when I'm running, as long as I'm debugging it. So to do that, go up to the toolbar. Instead of clicking this green button, click the one with the little breakpoint icon next to it to start a debugging session. Okay, so my program is running, it's popped up my Java window, and it looks like I am indeed stopped at my breakpoint, so this is what I wanted. What should have happened when you started debugging was your view will have changed a little bit, and you should see a Variables tab and some other tabs on the left. If you don't see those, you're going to need the Variables tab, and in that case you should mouse up to the menu bar and click the Window menu, and go to Debugging and choose the Variables, which is the first one. Let me expand my variables view so I can take a look at my array. This was the whole point. I should be in the first generation here, so I'm expecting that everything in my array would be false except for that middle element. So I'm going to pop open my array, and I can see all of my 10 false values. Nope, 9, because there's one true in the middle at number 5. That's exactly as I thought. At this point, I've gotten all the information I needed. But if I wanted to step through this one line at a time, I could use the stepper button. In this case, I just want to go around, let my program run until I print out the next time and arrive at this breakpoint again. So I'm going to choose the continue button instead. Now I can see bolded the changes that happened. 5 turned to false, which is correct, and now my trues are at 4 and 6. One more time, pressing the continue. Now my trues are at 3 and 7, and the rest are false, so this matches the behavior of the handout. Once you can confirm that your small 10-element array matches the behavior of the handout for a few generations, then you can go ahead and start testing with some larger data sets, like the original number we gave you, which was 640. To stop at any time, you can press the stop button. You can let the program run to completion. You can always toggle this off while you're going and just let the program go until it finishes also.